Welcome to the Guide to Revolut Staking, a comprehensive tutorial that will walk you through the process of earning interest on your cryptocurrency holdings with Revolut. To begin, you need to have a Revolut account and some cryptocurrency in your wallet. Revolut staking allows you to earn rewards on your eligible cryptocurrency assets, with the interest paid out daily. The first step is to ensure you have the latest version of the Revolut app and that you are eligible for staking. Once you have met the eligibility criteria, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app, where you will see the staking option. Here you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to stake and the amount you want to allocate. The next step is to understand the concept of locking and unlocking your assets. When you stake your cryptocurrency, it is locked for a certain period, during which you will not be able to sell or transfer it. However, you can choose to unlock your assets at any time, but be aware that this may affect your staking rewards. It is essential to understand the risks associated with staking, including price volatility and the potential for smart contract failures. However, Revolut has implemented robust security measures to mitigate these risks. To maximize your staking rewards, it is crucial to diversify your portfolio by staking different cryptocurrencies. Additionally, keep an eye on the staking rewards rates, as they can fluctuate over time. In conclusion, Revolut staking provides an excellent opportunity to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can make the most of this feature and grow your wealth over time. Always remember to stay informed and adapt to the ever-changing cryptocurrency landscape.